I'm Annie, and I am a Ganz Osteotomy patient. I had a Ganz Osteotomy and a labral repair last year, June 2024, and I have had hip issues my entire life. I was born breech and just had hip issues ever since. I've always been really active. Lacrosse was always my big sport. I played volleyball, but always was running and active and doing sports of some nature. But always had kind of lingering hip pain, mostly on my right side. Ended up kind of spreading into lower back pain, which ended up being really intolerable, particularly once I became pregnant. So before we went down that big spine conversation, I decided to ask and advocate for myself if we can do one last big look into my hip and do a really big MRI. And so we did the MRI with contrast, and lo and behold, I had a full or nearly complete labral tear on my right side. But more importantly, pointed out that I had hip dysplasia. And up came the conversation of having a Ganz osteotomy. My dad had recommended Dr. Ellman, and so I didn't hesitate to go see him as well, and got the second opinion from him. And meeting Dr. Ellman the first time I met him was just immediately comfortable with him. He's a fantastic listener. He is incredibly sharp. He's personable. Just let's do this tomorrow. This is great. This is fantastic. Not only did he explain the labral repair procedure really well, he set me up to meet with Dr. Hugate as the next step really well. So I felt automatically comfortable with going with Dr. Ellman and then Dr. Hugate, and then proceeding along with Sky Ridge too.